Okay, here we are testing the signal strength when the antenna is enclosed in a steel pipe. Right now, just have this 1-inch steel pipe um, where inside there's a whole lot of tin foil, and we just have it shoved up inside. Okay, here I have it set up where the drill, or the slave device right now, is sending packet received just about as fast as it can, and see the console is actually having a hard time updating the every time it receives one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the module inside the pipe, and I'm going to walk far out and see if there's any corruption to the received message. Okay, so I've got the module all packed up in the pipe again, and I've got the kind of mobile console now. It's on a nice extension cord. So I'll start walking once I get to focus, and we'll see what happens. Oh, looks like we're starting to get a little bit of corruption here where, well, maybe not. Oh, yep, I saw another one where perhaps the new lines aren't going through, so it's dropping a byte here and there. Oh, yep, there are a few more. It's starting to get a few more errors. But as you can see, we're pretty far from the pipe. And keep going just to test the... Yep, definitely starting to slow down and get more errors. But this is pretty far. Okay, back on the table again. See, we're back to getting no errors and quick reception. I'm going to go ahead and add more tinfoil to the end of this and see what that does to the range. It should obviously shorten it, but I want to see by how much. Okay, I've now added 4 layers of aluminum foil on the end and used real duct tape to clamp it down. I didn't mention before in the video, but this side is tinfoil down the 4 layers and rubber banded shut. So now I'll test the range, see how much closer it is for errors. Oh, there's the errors. Starting to get a few, and that's this close. So still pretty good distance. I know we were talking about having to make special arrangements for the location, but it looks to be pretty lenient. But we definitely wouldn't want to have these kind of errors pop up when sending data. So it looks like we've got a bit of room to work with, but still have to be careful. Okay, and finally I wanted to show this. This is the drill log. It sent almost 361,000 packet received messages, and I wanted to show down here when we started getting far away what I meant by corruption. And see, here we've got a couple of them. Or see, it didn't quite finish that one before it started the next. And see, we were far away here, and then we got closer again, And then the second time went far away. Yep, there it is. So yeah, interesting.